Whitney. What are you eating? Beans? Whitney, can you tell Mommy, what does a doggy say? Very good. Can you tell Mommy, what does a tiger say? Rawr. What does an elephant say? Good. How about a kitty cat? With food in your mouth? Meow. How about, can you tell me, what does the letter S say? How about the letter P? Good. Can you tell me what the letter H says? That's Mommy's favorite. Can you tell me what the letter M says? How about the letter B? Like bass. What does the letter B say? Good. And can you tell me, what does a cow say? What does a cow say?
No.
What? All done? You still eating? Ravioli. Why don't you eat it? Just gonna toss it instead. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Good. Can you clap? Good job. Blow kiss. Mwah. I love you. You're a good girl.